In this video training series, we'll be learning how to install Quality Stone Veneer's ever-growing line of Lambris profile selections using the clip system application method. A patented product of Quality Stone Veneer, the clip system reimagines and revolutionizes stonemasonry installation by combining an easy-to-use clip and screw application paired with the preset stone veneer technology of Quality Stone's Lambris product line. Alongside an extensive list of solutions a clip system installation delivers, a perfect stone, block, or brick finish can be achieved on any project following these installation guidelines. The clip system provides a built-in drainage plane between the stone and the structure. This 1/4 inch breathable cavity allows moisture to drain freely from behind the stone and out from the bottom of the wall, greatly contributing to an increased longevity to any project. The clip system ensures new International Building Code drainage plane requirements are not only met, but exceeded. Quality Stone Veneer's Lambris profiles include designs ranging from stack stone dry stack looks, to rustic cobblestone and fieldstone, to brick and block finishes, to modern and contemporary designs. All Lambris profiles include a clip system groove in the back of the pieces, providing the clip system option to mechanically fasten the product to the wall. Products are designed to work seamlessly on all building types from commercial to residential. With many interchangeable colorways and styles, there are endless possibilities to match your project's vision. For a full view of these selections, visit the product section of QualityStoneVeneer.com. Precast accent pieces complement projects with intricate handcrafted detail, adding another level of customization. Every Lambris style includes its own unique makeup of piece sizes and dimensions, designed to naturally and automatically create an offsetting pattern while laying, and provide the appearance of a full-depth product around outside corners. Stepped offsets paired with a wide-ranging mold variety of stone textures, shapes, and depths eliminate the appearance of a panelized product, breaking up unwanted horizontal and vertical lines across the wall that can otherwise more easily occur in a traditional stone installation. Also in this video series, we'll review Quality Stone Veneer's procedures for installing Lambris products using traditional mortar and wire lath, what we refer to as a direct application when the substrate is better suited for this method. Wall types here would include, for instance, concrete foundations, CMU block walls, and areas of gypsum sheathing, rigid insulation, or similar. We'll demonstrate how the drainage plane is achieved when Lambris products are direct applied over a plywood substrate. In the next video, we'll begin with waterproofing and underlayment procedures for a clip system installation. Follow the links at the end of these videos to continue the series.